Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a boat. So let's get started. First you'll have these 4 sheets of paper. It has to be the same size. Okay. Then fold it like this. Make sure the line is perfect like this. Then open it. Then you see this line, just hold it right here and do like this, kind of a triangle. Okay, like a triangle, kind of. Then you see this part, there's our 2, fold it like this, like a rectangle. Then flip it and do the same thing on this side, like this. Then you do like a little bit a triangle. You have it. When you have this, so do like this. How did I did this? Look, you see, let's do like this, like a triangle. Then do like this, and then we have to flip it like a triangle, maybe. Yes, it is a triangle. Flipping 1. There is 2 and flipping 1. The same thing on here. Look, there is our boat. Just not finished. Only one touch. Okay, here is our boat. Just smash it. Okay. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. This is an awesome boat. You can do like this or you can do like this. So nice, right? And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.